Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn which cards and payment methods are supported for Google Ads. Google Ads supports most major credit and debit cards, including Visa and Mastercard. In some countries, you can also use American Express, Discover, JCB, or UnionPay. To work, your card must allow international online transactions. Virtual and one-time use cards may also be accepted if they carry the Visa or Mastercard logo. Prepaid cards are sometimes accepted for manual payments but not for automatic payments. Recently, Google has started phasing out credit and debit card payments for some advertisers, especially those with higher spending. These accounts may be required to switch to bank-based payment methods, such as direct debit or monthly invoicing. If you fall into this category, ignoring the update could risk suspension of your campaigns. To add or manage a payment method, sign in to your Google Ads account. Open the billing section, then choose Settings. From there, select Add Payment Method, enter your card or bank details, and confirm the billing address. Make sure the address matches exactly with the one on file at your bank. Google may place a small test charge to verify the card before applying your payment. If your card is declined, check with your bank to confirm that online and international payments are allowed. You can also try another supported card or switch to a bank transfer or PayPal if available in your region. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.